Welcome back to the channel. Today we got the E30 vert back from paint and body, and this will mark the first day that we start reassembling the car. I mean, for what I paid, this is crazy, a crazy outcome. This whole panel was wiped out and looks really good. So we got a lot of work to do. Bumpers, trim, spoiler, emblems, you know, you name it. It's a lot of stuff, but not hard. This will take a little bit of time. So right now I think I'm gonna start with the front, putting the headlights in, the grills, because that's kind of the stuff that I have ready to go right now. It's not new grills or anything like that. I'll focus on that later. There's a lot of new stuff that we need, like rubber seals and weather stripping, trim for the driver's side because that was broken in the accident. So a lot of new stuff that we got to order. So whatever's good right now, we're gonna reuse and throw on the car and just start assembling it, get it looking good. Before I do the headlights though, I'm just gonna do a walk around again and remove any other tape I see left from the paint shop. But other than that, let's do it.
Hey guys, Rick Fix here.
Shit.
Oh! I know where it is.
Crazy.
I had some Dior slippers. I don't know what I need.
But it's currently 10:30. I just got to the shop again. Gonna finish putting on a little things here and there on the car, and then I'm gonna take it home. And that's when the real magic's gonna happen. I gotta work on the bumper fitment here. You can see it looks really good on this side, and then it's a little bit gapped on this side. I don't know what's going on with it. So other than the bumper, I need to order these clips here because a lot of them are broken. A lot of them are missing on either side, so gotta work on that. Before I can even drive this home, needs a windshield. Windshield's gone. I actually broke it on removal, sadly, but not a problem. They're not too expensive, actually. Yeah, baby. This is it right here. All right, so I took another look at this bumper. I did try to push it. It did move over to the right, cleaned up the gap a little bit, but I actually looked at the bolt holes on both sides and they're not lined up at all. So I need like a flathead to put in there and tweak it, shift the bumper over to the right. It'll definitely clean up this gap on this left side. And then this right side will look even better because it's over flush. So, man, that looks really good. I'm still in shock. I also have a new front emblem on order because the one that I originally ordered was damaged when I got it. I was like, you know, I'm not putting that on this nice car right now. Maybe if it was just a little beater, but now it's not really a beater. Got the front bumper mounted. Just throwing in the bolts, hardware, see if it's all lined up. Should just go straight up if it is. Yeah, it's not lined up. Oh, I can feel it.